Guys, welcome back to Walmart out here in the garden center. Oh yes guys, they have new plants out and I can't wait. So hey, if you have not subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, like the video, share the video, all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and get it out of the way. Alrighty, let's get started. So first guys, here are some beautiful houseplants here. And this first one is a succulent cactus for $19.96. As a matter of fact, I'm thinking all of these may be $19.96 on the bottom. So we have this one. Yes, this one is $19.96 as well. Yes, and this one. And all of these are in a 10-inch pot. These succulents are $8.96. This is nice in the hanging pot. This one is $14.96. $6.96 on these. $14.96 on these. That color is so pretty. Oh yes. Now if you kill a succulent guys or a cactus, I don't know what to tell you. More hanging pots here. These are $8.96. Desert rose up there for $14.96. And this one is $8.96. 6-inch. Alright guys, so we have moms that are not even out yet, but these moms, they're $6.34. This one is yellow. I see all yellow so far. They also have the smaller ones for $1.94. It does, okay, this one is yellow as well. Yeah, not bad, huh? For $1.94. I only see yellow. Okay. So they have that plant up there. I'm not sure what that is, guys, but it is $14.96. This daisy is $8.97, and it is a perennial. This one needs full sun, water weekly, and this one is in a 2.5 quart pot size. Okay. It gets 24 inches tall, and you want to space it 24 inches apart, hardy to -10. It blooms in the autumn. Okay, we have another one here. Let's move a little plastic. Anything for you guys, because you all are the best. I appreciate you all. Okay, so this is the Dragon Breath Celosis for $14.97. Yes. This one is super color in any weather. It is Super Cal. It's in orange, yellow, and red for $9.97. Ooh, that's pretty. Yes. That is gorgeous. It looks really healthy too. More down here. Yes. Alrighty. What else is hiding from us? Well, we're gonna find you. So this is the purple mom here, $6.34. Another yellow one here. More yellow down there. So we have purple and yellow so far in the moms for $6.34. Cone flowers by Better Homes and Garden, $8.97. And the cone flower, it is a perennial. Let's see if I can get a few specks up here. So it needs full sun, allow soil to dry between thorough watering. It gets 24 to 34 inches tall. The spacing is 15 to 25 inches apart, hardy to zones 4 through 10, and it blooms in the spring and the winter time. Yes. Alrighty. Alrighty, guys. I'm going through the plastic for you. If I need to get bailed out now, I'll make the announcement. This one is the Orange Mom for $8.88, and this one is in a 1-gallon pot here. Okay. More cone flowers down here. And the grass. This one is the perennial grass is $17.97 in a 1.5 pot size. So this one is full sun. It gets 24 to 36 inches tall. The spacing is 18 inches and hardy to 10 degrees. So yes, the purple grass, guys. Really, really pretty. This CleanStaw, my first time seeing it, guys, it is $12.98. Yes, my first time ever seeing it here. Righty, tropical blooming, guys. The containers made easy. These are $24.97 and they're still going strong. Really, still looking really, really pretty. Ooh, look at these containers here. These are $24.96. How beautiful. Oh, yes. Asiatic lilies, they are $9.97. Still budded up. Blooms, expert garden roses are $9.97. And true bloom roses are $12.84. And the fig tree is $12.84. It needs full sun and water this one 2 to 3 times a week. It gets 10 to 30 inches tall, spaced 6 to 12 inches apart, and hardy to -10. Grow for fruit. We also have the lime tree. The lime tree is $24.97. Okay, we have peppers over here on the trellis for $12.47. This is the yellow sparkler pepper. This pepper, you get a 4-pack for $2.97. Tomatoes, $1.97. The ferns are still looking really nice for $14.88. Okay, the Mandevilla trellis, they're $14.97. Guys, back to the roots. Organic 3-in-1 seed starting mix, $7.97. Alrighty, this Leyland cypress is $19.84. This hibiscus is $24.97. It's time for these to go on sale, guys. They also have these hibiscus for $16.97 in the color yellow. The oleander bush is $16.97 and the tree is $29.97. Guys, this is poisonous here, so I wouldn't recommend this tree or bush, but I do want to give you the price in case you want it. The rhododendron is $29.74. It needs part sun, 3 to 6 hours, water 2 to 3 times a week, and this is a 2.25-gallon pot size. So this one gets 6 feet tall and the spacing is 6 feet, hardy to -10, and it blooms in the spring. Okay, I also have this purple Athea. It is $19.84. It needs full sun, water this one 2 to 3 times a week. It gets 8 to 12 feet tall. The spacing is 6 to 10 feet apart. No hardy, and it blooms late summer. Wheelbarrows here. I'm not sure about the price. Are these wheelbarrows? Yes. Now these zinnias are still $5.97. They just haven't marked them down, I'm sure, but we definitely can't not pay the full price for these. The Winkle, they're still $5.97. Okay. Also have the money tree here. I didn't see this one earlier, but it is $14.96. All right, friends, I see some clearance signs over here, so why not look at it, right? So I see $5, $4, and $8. So this is okay. So this is for the gloves down here. The no slip grip impact gloves. Okay, this is a pickup tool here for $8.50. The original price was $14.88. Leaf scoops, I definitely need this. $4. The original price was $6.88. The bags are on rollback for $2.34, so that is great. The Expert Garden Weed and Feed. The original price was $40. It is on sale for $23.50. Okay, for the weed and feed. The Peniton Full Season Weed and Feed with Crabgrass Control 2508. It is on sale for $35.50. The original price was $58. Okay, this one application, full season lawn fertilizer, 3205 is $18.50. The original price was $30.98 by Peniton as well. The Expert Gardener lawn fertilizer is $18.50. The original price was $30.98. Look at these lawnmowers, these zero turners. Aren't these nice, guys? The 30-inch riding mower, it is $3,000. The 42-inch is $3,800. This 54-inch zero turn mower, $6,497. This 42-inch zero turn mower is $4,000. The color is beautiful. You would definitely be seen with this color. So yes, guys, they have the zero turns and the riding mode. So yeah, that's what we have here at Walmart. Well, all right, my friends, that is it here today at Walmart. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all in the next one.